screen sounds and
Always make your
Don't expect too much.
no one likes to
अतिरिक्त वजन आपके
Do you know this kind of talking avatar are getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars? These avatars are getting viral in all social media platforms like in TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. But mostly all tutorial videos for creating this kind of talking avatar are a little bit tricky. But, what if I say I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of talking avatar with only 2 steps and for free? Hi everyone, welcome to Simplify. Today I have got something incredibly exciting for you. Super easy 2-step tutorial on creating talking avatar for free. So let's start our video. Starting with step number 1. If you already have an avatar and you just want to make it a talking character, then you can skip step number 1. But if you don't have and want to create a different avatar for you, then follow from the step number 1. For step 1, we will use the Capcut. Open the app and click your text to image option. Here you can see this prompt box and this showcase box as well, where you can see plenty of images generated with the help of text. You can use any of these prompts if you like, but I will choose my own prompt. So, what type of avatar you want? Give a brief description in your prompt. I give this information in this prompt. Now click on generate option. After a bit of wait, these 4 results come out. As I'm not satisfied with these 4 so much, so I will click for this option again. This one I like, so simply I will click on this picture. Okay, it's done. Now again click on this picture. These options will come. Now click on the expand option and then click here. We will use this option to make our image according to the site where it will be used. Now simply choose the ratio for which you are going to use your video. I will use this video for the Instagram reel, so I will choose this ratio. You can choose any of your choice. For YouTube videos, choose this ratio. Now after choosing the ratio, click here. You can see it has been settled and expand according to the ratio. So our first step is completed. Now move to step 2, which will make our image in a talking character. For this step, go to Play Store and search for this. Now this app has come up on the top. Simply install the app. After this, open this app and this interface will come. Now click here simply and log in with your Google account. Fill these options. Now we are done with our login. Now simply click on the plus icon and follow these steps. After getting uploaded, click on next. Choose any of one option. If you want to use your own voice, use this option. I will use AI voice, so I will choose this option. Now paste your text here that you want your avatar to say. I'm adding a random text here. Now this will take some time to process. Wait here for some time. After getting ready, it will look like this. Now simply download. One plus point about this app is you don't need to buy any credit if the code finish. You can simply get by watching short ads right from here. So this app is totally free. Okay, let's see our video, how it has come out.
Hello, sir. I am writing this proposal to you on the basis of your
So our talking avatar is perfectly ready. You can create any type of avatar by following this method. And this is the most easy way to create talking avatar without any barrier. Now, if you don't want this watermark in your video, then follow this simple trick. Go to the Insert tab, add your video here. Now click here and adjust it like this as I'm adjusting. See, it's done. Now export it to your gallery. Now your video is ready without any watermark.